Are you ready for the big rush, Patrick? Pretty soon those hungry customers will be lining up, 'cause we are open. I'm ready! I'm ready! I'm ready!
Cheer you up. It's called the Ugly Barnacle. Once there was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died. The end.
Yes! Yes, it's true! It's all true! The merriment, the peanut, the Patrick!
That's all we need to know, son. Let's book him!
Wow, you guys are good. I'm the last person I would have suspected, but I was looking for me all the time. It's the perfect crime.
Yeah, tell it to the judge, Pinky.
Now will you show me what's inside your secret box?
No, Spongebob. It's for me to know and for you to never find out. You may be an open book, Spongebob, but I'm a bit more complicated than that. The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.